Hope everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to get one of the best builds out there, and this build is not DIGGZ XENON, it's not the crew build, it's one of the best, and the name of this is Doomsday Build. So I'm going to show you the steps on how to get this. The steps are quite easy, so all you have to do, the first thing to do is to launch your Kodi. On the home screen, click on settings. Once you get here, click on systems, and once you get on the systems menu, click on add-ons. Then on the add-on section, click on unknown sources, and then once you click on it, then click yes, and then on your remote, click the back button once, and then once you get here, click on file manager, and then on the file manager menu, click on add source. Once you get here, make sure you enter this URL the way it is. This will enable you to have this build on your device. Click on none. Then enter this http httpx / tinyurl.com/doomsday 1. Once you put on this, click OK, and then click OK, and then on your remote, click the back button once. Then at this point, you have to click on add-ons from this menu. Click on add-ons, and then here scroll down and click on install from zip file, and then here click on Doomsday 1 or any name you use to save the media file. Click on repository.doomsday, and then wait for the repository to install. Once it must have finished, click on install from repository. Click on Doomsday. Then once you get to this point, click on program add-ons. Now this is where it gets interesting. You will see 4 types of wizard here, right? You see the Doomsday simple wizard, Doomsday GUI wizard, the Hermit wizard, and the Cobra Disney with themes. So for this installation, I will choose the Doomsday GUI wizard. Once you click on it, scroll down and click on install. It is installing. As you can see, it's already finished installation. So once you click on it, once you finish installation, this window will come out. Click dismiss, and then here click continue, and then at this point to bring out this pop-up message, you have to click on build menu to access the menu, the build within this wizard. So click build menu, and then click build. So once you get here, you see the list of builds within the Doomsday GUI wizard. So these are the builds. You can find within here. Yeah, these are the builds. For the sake of this video, we're gonna use this build. I'm gonna go with the Aspire build, the Aspire JR build. So I'm gonna use the Aspire build. I'm clicking on it, or you can choose any build here. You also find the Kodiman on build. So I'm gonna use the Aspire. Click on it and then click install. Then click yes. Then it is installing. So we have to wait for it to finish the installation. So this is how to have this kind of build on your device. It's quite easy. and this is the best build, better than this Zenon build. I have tested it and it works perfectly well. So for me, if I'm to choose between DIGGZ XENON and this, I will go with this build because this build is fresh and everything works perfectly well. Use a VPN is very important. Subscribe to this channel if you're new. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will answer every question. Let me know your thoughts. Yeah. So it's going on. It's going on. It's actually not so lightweight build. It's too not so lightweight. 272 is not that small, but it's still okay. So yeah, we finished the installation. So once I click OK, my code will for install. So this is how to have this build on your device. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this build. See you guys in my next video.